Đây là tỏi sau khi chúng mình đã nướng, nó hơi cháy một tí. Không có vấn đề gì cả.
Hey guys! Today we will show you how to make vegan spaghetti sauces less than 15 minutes. I prefer non-vegan spaghetti, but my friend thinks it's healthier and fresh to eat vegan and to keep fit. So today we will make 2 different kinds of sauces and fruit salad. We use most famous pasta brand Barilla #1. Other ingredients include olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and analisa tomato paste. That is, just for the first spaghetti recipe. Now boil a pot of noodles. Check the pasta package for cooking time. Usually it takes from 7 to 8 minutes, but you can cook until it's soft as you like. Pour some salt to make a flavorful pasta and cover the pot. Use a spoon to scoop out this tomato paste into a bowl. Use hand blender to make the paste more smooth. You can buy this canned tomato paste to save your time. I know some people can grind fresh tomatoes and make the paste by their own at home. Now we will stir fry the garlic. Add the tomato sauce. Put some salt and sugar to season the sauce. Stir it a bit. Simmer for some minutes until the sauce looks condensed and thick.
Đã khá là đặc sánh rồi này. Bạn có thể cho nhỏ lửa đi.
Nếu mà chưa đụng đến không có linh chờ. Cái đĩa là đựng mì này không nhỉ?
Check the pasta if it's cooked well enough and then pour the pasta into the pot with the sauce. And now the red sauce is done. You can put a basil leaf on the top for decoration later. Now we move to pesto sauce. It's quite easy to do it actually. Here we already blend together basil leaves, olive oil, organic pumpkin seed, roasted garlic and nuts. We pile the fresh basil leaves first to break it down into smaller pieces, but you simply can put all ingredients into food processor or blender to make it quick. But there should still be small chunks leaves to give texture to the sauce. Remember to season it with salt. or pepper. And now we have perfect pesto sauce for the leftover pasta. Then we mix the pesto sauce with pasta. If it's too dry, just add some more pasta water. The taste should be better when you cool down the pasta. It's time to prepare for fruit salad. We chop our fruits into small cubes, including cucumber, tomato, mango, apple. And then we add balsamic vinegar and olive oil. We can also put some dry grapes to make the salad plentiful. There are some kinds of nuts you can use, like roasted almond, pistachio nuts. And now the food is ready. You can put basil leaves onto spaghetti dish for decoration. Time to enjoy the meal. We're not sure if they're good enough, but here's the result. Time to enjoy the meal. We're not sure if they're good enough, but here's the result.